Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we will see how to make Malabar fish curry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan and saute 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of julienned ginger, 3 slit green chillies, 1 cup of sliced onion, and some curry leaves. When the onion turns translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for some time and add 1 tablespoon of dry roasted coriander powder and 1½ tablespoons of red chilli powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1½ cups of chopped tomatoes and a little salt. Place the lid and cook it over low flame till the tomatoes become soft. Meanwhile, add a little water and grind 1 cup of grated coconut into a fine paste. Now add the coconut paste, 2 pieces of Malabar tamarind, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, and 2 cups of water. Stir well. Cook this over low flame for 5 minutes. Now add 500 grams of sardine. Swirl it and cook it over low flame for 10 minutes. Now it's ready, turn off the flame. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of chopped small onions and 1 sprig of curry leaves. When the small onions turn light brown, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 pinch of fenugreek powder, and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Stir well and add this into the curry. Malabar fish curry is ready to serve. This will go nice with plain rice. Please do try and post your feedback.